ये दिक्कत हर आर्किटेक्ट और इंटीरियर डिजाइनर के साथ आती है. It's in our hobby that we guys forget to add the object in the layers in AutoCAD. And अब हर ऑब्जेक्ट को layers में ऐड करने में बड़ा जोर आता है. If you guys are also doing the same thing, then must watch this video. I have an amazing solution for you. Let me show you how you can do this like a pro. Here we go. First open the plan which you want to work in. Let me show you. The text layer is also in 0. Dimension layer is also in 0. So what you have to do is first open the layer properties. Here you have to add the dimension layer, text layer, wall layer. Now what you have to do is select everything and now press filter, and here you have to select dimension. First I am adding the dimension layer, so that's why I selected dimension here. Add selected object. Here what you have to do is apply, and you can see here all the dimension is selected in my file. Now what you have to do is just go to layer and select dimension. Here you go. I hope you like this video and don't forget to share this with your friend and follow SPS Create.